Hello, so today I wanted to show you that there is a new way to install Windows 11 and other operating systems on VirtualBox. So now when you create a virtual machine, let's say Windows 11 preview, so let's select the ISO file, yeah, that one. You now can select the edition here, for example Pro N, and you can skip, but you can use now unattended installation. So this was available on VMware for some time already, and finally it's a feature in VirtualBox. Now we can create here our user and then the password. Now here we can change the host name and set a domain name. Also there is install in background and automatic installation of the guest additions. Okay, now let's set the CPU and I meant RAM and processor. Okay, now we create a virtual hard disk, or yeah, better for unattended install to use a new hard disk. Next, and that's all. Finish. Hello. Oh. Also, if it bugged while we are here. I don't recommend clicking install in background because sometimes it doesn't launch the ISO file and it can't like install Windows. I don't know why the disk size just deleted itself. Maybe now? Yeah. So sometimes here when it does this like first start, if you are installing it in background, it can't like start the installation. See, for example, right now it didn't start because you need to click it manually. That's why you better not to use background installation. Now I click enter when it says press any key to launch from CD or DVD. And even if we just like had this error that it couldn't like begin the installation by itself, it still uses this unattended install. So it's not like a issue. It still will work if it booted like to the boot menu and not to the like CD or ISO file. Okay, now we just wait. Okay, finally it finished installing, and now as always just we need to insert. Anyways, I think it didn't install the guest additions, so let's run them manually. You can run either this one or directly the one that's for your architecture. So let's run MD64 directly. Next. Yeah. Yeah. Install. Okay. I want to reboot manually because what I want to do is a shutdown. Yeah, update. Okay, let's go to settings. I want to enable shared clipboard, disk encryption no, system K. I will disable optical and floppy boot, secure boot 2. Processor, there is nothing to disable. Yeah. Display. I will enable 3D acceleration. Press OK. Now settings. Again, display and disable 3D acceleration. In this way we have the 256 megabytes of video memory and 3D acceleration disabled because it doesn't really work. It just breaks everything. Yeah, and the only mode where 3D acceleration works is VBox SBGA, so yeah, it doesn't work. Storage, I usually erase all the disks here. Network, you can change it to Regedit if you want, and that's all. Okay. Also, in Windows 11, now that it's installed, okay, so I don't know why. Oh, I think yeah, that's why not. Now I usually go to Regedit. Okay. Run as administrator. I don't know why it... Okay, now. And now I just insert this path. Current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version. I will leave it in the description, maybe. And then go to themes. Okay, yeah, here nothing. Personalize. Apps use light theme. So let's, if you want dark mode everywhere, dark theme everywhere, we'll set this to 0. Color prevalence, I don't know what's this. Enable transparency, I usually disable it because it makes the VM more stable, and system uses a light theme, also disabled. So also in history you can enable auto color, and that's all. I don't know what color prevalence. Let's enable it and check. So now we can, okay, I think, yeah, okay, it's so in the start menu, yeah, in other places the color gets from the tray, well, from the, yeah, I like it more like this. And now we can restart. Okay, that's all for installing Windows 11. You can go to personalization and we can see, no, in themes no, but in colors that the transparency effects are disabled, the mode is dark. Also, well, accent color is in manual. Yes. Anyways, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. I noticed then on editing that I have like the recording a little bit moved to the left, so I hope I will solve that in for the next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.